Well, hello, beautiful people. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you are here with me. And I definitely appreciate that. To all the new people stopping by my channel, hi, you guys. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so you're notified each time I post a video. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey. And so today's vlog, you guys, is going to be all about the Christmas decor at Hobby Lobby. And so if you want to see what all Hobby Lobby has in store for this Christmas season, you guys, then definitely keep on watching. And so some of you guys may be thinking, oh my gosh, it is too early for Christmas. We haven't even reached fall yet. Y'all, this is definitely the perfect time to begin your Christmas shopping or even brainstorming about what you are wanting to do for Christmas. Like, it's already out in the stores, so we might as well embrace it. If you are one of those people who are like, I can't even think about Christmas until Christmas, put this video in your save for later or your watch for later and watch it when it gets a little bit closer to Christmas. But don't ruin it for the people who are excited about Christmas like me. And so you guys, in my Hobby Lobby, they still have tons and tons and tons of fall decor. So the Christmas decor was somewhat scattered amongst the store. And so first things first, you guys, y'all, they have these ornaments. They have the glass ornaments and then they have the plastic ornaments. One thing I try to implement with my girls each Christmas season is to give them a new ornament, something that they can have for their personalized trees in their room, something that they can remember. And then when they get older and they have their tree, they already have like their starter ornaments and just good flashbacks. And so they have pretty much everything that you can think of. And these also make cute little stocking stuffers for your loved ones. So don't sleep on the ornaments. They also make cute tags for your gift bag. So if you want to do something personalized. Now, y'all remember Buffalo Plaid had your girl in a chokehold. And if that is what you are here for this Christmas season, they definitely have you stocked and ready to go. Now, one thing I loved about my Hobby Lobby is they had everything within sections this year. So everything that was Buffalo Plaid was all on one aisle. Everything that was gingerbread houses was on one aisle. Now, keep in mind, it is still fall, so they are still stocking up. But this is what I seen. At the top of all of the shelves, you guys, was tons and tons and tons of Christmas decor. So if you don't see what you need right now, definitely know that there will be some. I also caught a sneak peek of how they are going to like do their areas as far as like the different sections, because they were currently putting everything out. And so they had all of their like inventory paperwork out. So I got to see that, which was super exciting. Now, moving on to more of like the white Christmas, if you will. And they had several items for your white Christmas. And I've noticed throughout walking through the store, depending on what your theme is, you guys, they had similar items in every color. And so if you're doing a white Christmas, they had all of these items for white Christmas. If you're doing a pink Christmas, they had these items for a pink Christmas, but just in a pink color. And so keep that in mind. If you want to mix and match, then, you know, there you go. And word on the curb is, you guys, Hobby Lobby will be making their Christmas decor 50% off starting tomorrow, which is August 28th. So definitely keep that in mind. So if y'all see some Christmas decor that you're interested in, you guys, definitely hit up Hobby Lobby. Now, this section here was filled with all kinds of wreaths and tree collars and all of the things, you guys. Now, if you're wanting to put wreaths on your doors, or if you have smaller doors or whatever the case may be, they definitely have them here, as well as some smaller Christmas trees. So if you're wanting little mini Christmas trees to decorate throughout your home or your front porch, they definitely had them stocked here, and several tree collars. Now, these have become very popular in the last couple of years, and they are something that you can keep for forever and ever. And so please keep that in mind. If you don't want to get the more expensive ones, they do have the inexpensive ones that I just showed that you can use as well. So keep that in mind. My Hobby Lobby had this entire section with every color. Now, y'all remember when I mentioned earlier that depending on what color or Christmas theme you're going for, Hobby Lobby has it pretty much everything that's just that different color. Now, remember when I was telling you guys about the white Christmas and the pink Christmas? If you notice, if you're looking here, you see how the gold had all of the decor for the gold, and it was similar to the white. Now it's similar to the pink. And so depending on what it is, you guys, it's so many different things that you can do. They even have this like confetti Christmas. And so the possibilities for your Christmas decor, you guys, is endless. Actually, correction, it's not confetti. It's called peacock. And so if you are wanting to do a peacock Christmas, they have you set. I've never seen a peacock Christmas tree, but if you have, let me know down in the comments below. Y'all, I was so excited for this gingerbread section. Y'all know I said that our home is going to be a gingerbread house. That is the decor that I am going for. And so I am going off of like a gingerbread house / Candyland theme, just bringing it all together. And so these items definitely had me in a chokehold. This is something that I will be adding more and more and more each Christmas season. Y'all, I am obsessed. They had these gumdrops. Like, y'all, these are so perfect. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for Christmas. But they had these gumdrops. They had all of like the cliche candy decor, donuts, cake pops, you name it. They had it. I just loved how it looked. And like I mentioned to Joe, like this is something that I will be implementing every year, adding more and more Christmas decor, and just so it gives me something to build on. Last year, I noticed the gingerbread items, and I was like, oh, this is cute. And the year before that, my mom had bought me a little gingerbread man, and she was like, oh, this is something for you to put in your cookie lab, because you guys know I'm a cookie baker. And ever since then, it just sparked something, and I am obsessed with all of the candy-like items that are Christmas tree decor. And so, yeah, you guys, if you are decorating in a gingerbread man / Candyland theme, then Hobby Lobby is definitely your place. Y'all, look at this. Look at this cotton candy. Look at this. Like, in my mind, I'm trying to figure out how I can make it myself. But y'all, look at this. They have the candy canes. They have the lollipops. All of the things, you guys. So, again, if this is something you're interested in, they have you all set. So are you guys into a retro Christmas, a traditional Christmas? How do you guys like to decorate? Also, do you like to decorate your front yard different than your inside? Do you just decorate inside? Let me know, how overboard do you guys go for Christmas decorating? I would love to hear it. garland and wreaths, those things can be investment pieces. Now, you can buy something that's more on the expensive side, that's more durable, and it lasts you throughout several Christmas seasons. And so in the past, I have bought more inexpensive garland, and I am really thinking that this year it is time for me to invest in a more sturdier piece and something that is able to stand the test of time, and I'm at least getting a couple of years worth of use out of it, and just because I will use that to decorate several items. And so keep that in mind, you guys, when you are picking your items. Sometimes going cheaper is not always better. And also, they will be having it 50% off. So what may seem as expensive now really won't be expensive once you take that 50% off. And budget yourself, you guys. And definitely put, just a little bit to the side if you can, and use that as a Christmas decor. And so keep that in mind, you guys. So Hobby Lobby has so many different kinds of flameless candles. So keep that in mind. Me personally, I do not like to burn candles. I either use a wax warmer or flameless. They do have some of the scents out right now, but I like when they have like a full section of nothing but the holiday scents. Let me know, what is your favorite scent of candle? Do you prefer like a sweet type of candle? Do you prefer savory? Do you prefer the cliche Christmas scent? Let me know down in the comments below. Okay, so y'all know it would not be Christmas without nutcrackers. For me personally, I am not a fan of the nutcrackers. They just look so weird and creepy to me. But they have an entire stand of nutcrackers, all different shapes and sizes, all different types of themes. And so if that is your jam, definitely check out Hobby Lobby to get your nutcrackers. Now, I did notice that they did not have any life-size nutcrackers. They just have like the ones that you could put on your mantle. Now, if y'all are into the Grinch, then this is definitely a place for you to shop as well. I want to do a Grinch themed tree in my house so bad, but I just don't know where I would put it, or if it would even go with the theme that we have. I love the Grinch. I don't like the newer cartoon version, but I prefer the Jim Carrey version and then the traditional old school one. I love it. And they had so many different items with Cindy Lou. They had Max, and they had all of the other like cliche Whoville items. And so definitely Hobby Lobby did not disappoint with these. Now, if you are doing Christmas parties with little ones, or if you're doing Christmas parties with your friends as an adult, they have so many different Christmas crafts. And I may implement this with my girls as well. You can make your own ornaments. You can do your handprints. You can paint your ornaments. It's so many things. The options are endless. They have wood ornaments. They have clay ornaments. They have markers, they have paint, they have all of the things. And so if you are doing that, or even if you're doing like an ornament exchange and you want to decorate your ornaments, or if you want to make an ornament, they had so many different items. I don't think I really paid attention to this in the past in my previous videos, but they do have a lot. Or if you just want to be artsy and decorate your own ornaments for your house, that is something that you can do as well. Y'all, it is never too early to start thinking about Christmas gifts. Definitely check out your Hobby Lobby and see if they have these blankets and throws in their clearance section as well. And definitely stock up, you guys. But that is going to be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below what was your favorite part of today's video. And also stay tuned for part 2 of Hobby Lobby Christmas Shop with Me, because I want to go back when they have more items in store. But like I said, that's going to be it. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you never miss an upload, you guys. And until next time, you guys, I will see you on the next one and talk to you soon. Bye.